Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming system details, Windows 10 build, and whether the PC uses UEFI or legacy BIOS, because repair steps differ. Once done, prepare a bootable Windows 10 USB installer and keep BitLocker or OEM recovery keys handy to avoid lockouts. Next, power off, then force the machine into recovery by interrupting boot twice or using the installer media to boot. Make sure to disconnect non-essential USB drives so the system targets the correct disk during repair. You'll choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot and Advanced options. This routes you to targeted tools. Start with Startup Repair to auto-fix boot issues, and if that fails, open Command Prompt. Run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/rebuild, then chkdskc/f/r to repair disk errors. Once done, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to correct corrupted system files. These steps address boot record. If targeted repairs didn't fix the issue, try System Restore to revert recent changes or uninstall recent updates from advanced options, because a bad update often breaks boot. Once you exhaust those, use Reset This PC. Choose Keep My Files if you need to preserve data, or perform a clean install from the USB installer. Make sure you have the BitLocker recovery key before any reset. If something still goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: test the drive on another machine or use a vendor diagnostic to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.